Some more flex, I shared it with her. You took it well. Promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Me a paper towel, give me another valley. Give me another hour or two. I'll war with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? You know better, know you do better than you do.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely Monet, and of course I'm back here with another video. And in this video I'm going to be cleaning my dirty filthy stove or oven with Dollar Tree products and see how well they get it clean. And right now I'm just showing you all the products that I am using if you guys want to know. But yeah, it's been a while since I cleaned this oven out. I've been putting it off, but now it's time to get dirty, clean this oven out, like make it look presentable. Cleaning the oven is really a tough job, especially if your oven is lower and not higher at your length, so you're bending down, hurting your back trying to scrub and get this clean. That's why I hate cleaning out the oven and put it off so long. But every time I turned the oven on, it smelled like something was burning. So I'm like, I gotta get it clean. I bought the oven cleaner like almost 2 weeks ago, and I was like, I gotta get to this oven. I gotta get to it. So I ended up taking a trip to the Dollar Tree and looking for something to make the job more easier for me to do. And I ended up finding extra products, which is the pink paste that I am using now, to see if some of that extra residue will come off. And it really didn't do anything, I don't think. I should have looked at a YouTube video, but my daughter said she could have told me that it didn't work because she watched somebody else's video where they showed the difference between the name brand and the off brand, and the name brand worked better and the off brand didn't. So hey, it was just $1.25. It didn't hurt my pockets whatsoever, but however it did waste my time. But can you guys see how like disgusting this oven is? Like so disgusting. But I'm gonna clean it to my best ability, as I always do. I probably clean my oven out twice a year, no more than that. I'm sorry you guys, but that's just not my life. That is not my life. Like, but I just wanted to show you guys this video and see if Dollar Tree products actually work on a filthy, nasty oven.
Some more flex, I shared it with her. You took it well. Promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Me a paper towel, give me another valley. Give me another hour or two. I'll war with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? You know better, know you do better than you do. Call me looking for you, I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to the weekend.
I don't know, you guys. I feel like I can get a little bit more cleaner, but the way I'm feeling, I feel like this is good enough for me. I really don't feel like cleaning it no more, but I think I'm gonna go in one more time with some oven cleaner and the pink stuff I got from the Dollar Tree, and then I'm gonna come back to it and clean it off and see some of this extra gunk come off of there. And I feel like it's been on there so long, it's not gonna come off, and I really just don't want to waste my time. But I'm gonna try and see, give it one more chance. But if you see my oven before this, it looked, I guess, 80% better than what it did. And I'm just gonna try one more time, and I'm gonna come back to you guys. Yes, you guys, this is after cleaning my oven 2 times. This is the best I can get it, but it's better than nothing. It's, you can see some of the pink stuff is still like left in there. I don't wipe it out multiple times. I done got a napkin, try to get all of it out, but it's just still left in there, but it's the best job I can do, baby. But at least it's clean and not dirty. At least I'll say 75% clean, but this is the best job I can do with what the I guess dollar store products that I had, just being on a bargain. But I'm also not one of those like deep cleaners, OCD type of person. As long as it's clean up for me, I am great. So that's all that I needed. It's not a, if you were synced before, you would have said, okay, that's good, not too bad. So I think I did a good job, you guys.
A summer fling, I said farewell. You took it well. Promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Give me a paper towel, give me another valley, give me another hour or two. Hour with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? You know better, know you move better than you do. Call me looking for you, I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby, sure, baby, sure.